And let's finish up with number 8. A physics book is at rest on a desk. Gravity pulls the book down. The desk exerts an upward force on the book that is equal in magnitude to the gravitational force. Draw a free body diagram of the book. Okay, so first off, do not confuse a free body diagram with a force diagram. Okay, in a force diagram, you need to represent all of the objects that are exerting a force or having a force exerted on them. We're trying to describe the entire system. In a free body diagram, we're not doing that, or at least not the same way. We're only going to represent the object of interest. Okay, in this example, we're being asked to draw a free body diagram of the book. So the book is the only object of interest. So I'm not going to draw the desk. I'm not going to draw the ground. I'm not going to draw the door to the room. I'm just going to draw the book. And so that's what I've done here. Now, this book is at rest, meaning there is no net force operating on the book. And we have no indication that there's any force acting on the book in the x direction. It's just completely y direction, right? The gravitational force and then the normal force counteracting that. And so what I need to take away from this question is only represent the book. Okay, don't represent the desk. Only draw the book. And in terms of arrows, I need to draw an arrow from the starting at the center of the object, the book, pointing down, and that's going to be the gravitational force. I'll represent it as F sub g. Now, it does not matter how long that arrow is. It doesn't matter how long you draw that arrow. As long as the opposite arrow, right, the normal force, right, the force that's counteracting that upward force, has an arrow, a vector arrow, that is exactly the same length. That's all we're going for. Now here, I'm going to call it the normal force. You don't have to call it the normal force right now. You can call it force of desk on book if you wanted to go that way. That's totally fine. But the real key here is, first off, label them. Okay, label them as something, and that the arrows are of equal magnitude, but they're going in opposite directions, and they both originate the center of mass of the object.